Hello students, welcome at EduCare. This is Vinod Bihani and we will see today the branches of chemistry. As we know, chemistry is what called as central science. Like other subjects, chemistry, other branches of science like physics and biology mainly. This chemistry also very vast indeed and it is known as central science. Why it is called chemistry central science we have seen already, because it is deal with other branches of science as well as it is also concerned with some other faculties like mathematics. Then today we are going to see the branches of chemistry. Then what it is observed, the main branches and other branches. Chemistry is divided into these four main branches, that is physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and analytical chemistry. Now what is studied in physical chemistry, all the laws, principles and their applications, those are mostly that come or related from physics. Some of the main topics in physical chemistry that what we are studying there: thermodynamics, then chemical kinetics, then ionic equilibria. These are the main parts studied in physical chemistry. Then the very famous organic chemistry, that is the chemistry of carbon compounds. We already know the modern definition of organic compounds, that is the chemistry of carbon compounds which satisfy certain chemical properties that called as organic compounds. Then what is studied in inorganic chemistry? In inorganic chemistry, the compounds, the minerals, the elements and those compounds other than organic compound, they are studied, hence it is called inorganic chemistry. The next is analytical chemistry. Here all that analysis of the given compound as well as some quality control related topics are studied in analytical chemistry. So these are the four main branches of chemistry, that is physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and analytical chemistry. Other than these four branches, there are few more branches and they are may call as sub branches. Among that, very first is biochemistry. Biochemistry, that is related with biology or life science. That chemistry called biochemistry. For example, the topic like biomolecules is the topic from that biochemistry. Then drug chemistry. Drug chemistry, we know there are useful as well as harmful drugs. Drugs, they are used in medicine to cure the patients, and that is the chemistry related called drug chemistry. Next, that called as dye chemistry, D-Y-E. Do you know perhaps dye means a kind of color? All color matter, all coloring matter, nothing but chemicals, and that dye chemistry is there. Then polymer chemistry. Polymer chemistry, the chemistry related with the study of polymers called polymer chemistry. Then green chemistry. Green chemistry deal with the environment, how we could protect our environment and all those parts studied with relation to chemistry in the branch called as green chemistry. Next, nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry deals with the study of nucleus, especially the stability and instability of nucleus, how nucleus is stable, what are the conditions for stability of nucleus and what are the factors responsible for the stability, like that called mass defect, binding energy. And the very important topic studied in nuclear chemistry is radioactivity. There are two types of radioactivity, one called natural radioactivity, other called artificial radioactivity. So that is the nuclear chemistry. The next one that called as electrochemistry. Electrochemistry deals with electrolysis, deals with Faraday's laws of electrolysis, and also it is studied with all those types of cells, mainly classified into two types, that is electrochemical cell, or they are divided into voltaic or galvanic cell, and other called electrolytic cell. Then one more branch that called environmental chemistry. Now it is much related with green chemistry. We know we should protect our environment by this and that measure or some protection methods, and environmental chemistry. For the protection of environment, lot of methods nowadays are used or applied, even that suggested by government, then some scientists, and we should use those the laws are given by green chemistry and that used in the study called environmental chemistry. So these are some main branches and some other branches of chemistry. If you like this video, share with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press that bell icon button so that you will get notification of our new videos. Thanks.